Nikki, Jakay, Karemmi, Molia.
Fresh out of college, so it is what it is. One is a wife and she has 2 kids. Essential bae is what they say. One's name is Nikki, can't forget about Jakay. Always on the go, she's a boss babe. Nikki is an MUA and she stay paid. According to Karemmi, anything can happen. You really not about the life, stop all that capping.
Nikki, Jakay, Karemmi, Molia.
Kind of nervous. I don't know what to say, honestly. My name is Molia. I was a essential worker during the oh, I'm sorry, I'll take my glasses off. I'm sorry, y'all. The glare. I was an essential worker during the 2020 pandemic, and if I could go back to like decide if I wanted to be an essential worker or be unemployed, I'd still be an essential worker. Yeah. How much I'm gonna pay for this? Because I really need the money right now. You know, I'm a wife and all, but sometimes we still need the extra funds. You know, I feel like I'm talking a little bit too much. But you know, well, I don't know. Hey everybody, my name is Nikki, Nikkie. Anything y'all want to know, just ask me and I'll let y'all know. I'll tell y'all. I'm not sure who owns it, but I just want to let y'all know. If y'all had Jakay on set, that girl is a handful. I try to be nice to her, but for some reason, she just be want to fight people. And I be with it. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. But no, Jakay, she does have a little attitude problem. Y'all can edit my brow, right? I mean, y'all can edit my lash, right? Okay. But yeah, so she got a little attitude problem, but just let me know what y'all want to know, and I'll tell y'all. Okay? So I honestly don't know what I'm doing here. I'm trying to like figure this out. I'm on my lunch break. My time is valuable. So whatever's going on here needs to be done now. Or yeah. I'll just come back later. Hi everybody. My name is Karemmi, you know, Karemmi. Some people, they pronounce it as Karemmi or Karemmi, but it's Karemmi. Karemmi. Don't forget the K. Okay, Karemmi. I always knew that I would be on TV, so it's no clue, or like, I mean, hey, look at his face. It belongs on TV. I just knew I would get the call to come in and, you know, see what's up. Well, some information about me if you must know. Thank you for asking. Well, Jakay is my best friend, and yeah, we rock together forever. I know she's probably at work right now, so she'll come in later. I mean, if she's here right now, I'll be so shocked. But yeah, Karemmi, don't forget the name. You'll see more of me, okay? Where's my mirror? Oh, thank you. There we go. Had to do a little check, make sure everything's looking good, and on the up and up. Yeah. I need makeup over here, please.
Nikki, Jakay, Karemmi,
Fresh out of college, so